Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Academia, your language learning platform. I am Shobhdeep Sarkar with you. Today we are going to learn some keywords which you can use with present continuous tense in Spanish. But before starting today's lesson, my one request, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any notification. So let's start. So the first keyword is ahora mismo. Ahora mismo. The sentence, estoy escuchando música ahora mismo. Estoy escuchando música ahora mismo. That means, I am listening to music right now. I am listening to music right now. Ahora mismo means right now. Next keyword is ahora. Ahora. The sentence, ¿estás durmiendo ahora? ¿Estás durmiendo ahora? This is the question. Are you sleeping now? Are you sleeping now? ¿Estás durmiendo ahora? Next keyword, en este momento. En este momento. That means at the moment. En este momento. The sentence is, estoy trabajando en este momento. Estoy trabajando en este momento. That means I am working at the moment. I am working at the moment. Estoy trabajando en este momento. Okay. Next keyword is actualmente. Actualmente. That means currently, not actually. Actualmente. The sentence, actualmente estamos bailando. Actualmente estamos bailando. That means currently we are dancing. Currently we are dancing. Let's repeat one more time. Estoy escuchando música ahora mismo. I am listening to music right now. ¿Estás durmiendo ahora? Are you sleeping now? Estoy trabajando en este momento. I am working at the moment. Actualmente estamos bailando. Currently, we are dancing. Okay? So that's all for today's video. I hope you have understood. Please practice and try to make sentences with those keywords. Thanks for watching. Adios.